So I'm excited about that. I'm excited to work with Gary. Tapos, andyan pa si Martin, andyan pa si Larry. So parang, ang sarap. Talagang kantahan lang ng bongga.
Pero if there are four of you on stage, na nagkong big names in terms of mga music icons po talaga, is there more pressure like for you before, prior, yung sa'yo personal, yung journey before the concert, mas may pressure ba? Kahit ba, even at this point in your career or what?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm trying not to be pressured by the whole thing. Normal naman ma-pressure ka, nasi-stress ka. Ayoko kasi baka mag-acid reflux ako, so I'm trying not to I just want to enjoy it. Kasi it should be enjoyed. Kasi baka hindi na to mangyari ever, alam mo, or matagal pa.
Kailan po kayo huling nagkasama-sama na apat? If you remember it. Never ba?
Na kaming apat lang, never.
Okay. Talagang bago.
So first time talaga.
Your audience. In terms, so sa mga kanta po, ano po yung pwede ninyong ma-share na pwedeng ma-expect ng ating mga fans? Na repertoire, paano po nyo pinili? Line up.
It's hard to say something about it without giving everything away. So basta madaming duet, the four of us, palitan ng partner, it's nice. It'll be...
ganito na lang po, parang how did you kayo po ba were you given parang a chance to suggest about
all of us had we were all given the chance to suggest what kind of numbers we want to do and what kind of songs we want to sing. So we were given
theme more on mga classic hits or mga may combination ng mga bago, kasi I remember si Sir Martin nabanggit niya noong December na you really enjoy yung mga new songs kapag kayo yung mag-tandem.
Since there's four of us, it will be a mix of some classic songs, new songs, our own songs. It'll be a mixture of that. So that's why it's very exciting. Kasi we didn't stick to just one, classic lang gawin natin. Parang we can't also do that kasi nga, you have four different styles and you have four different artists. So, syempre, kailangan maging flexible yung repertoire.
Siguro po, sa tagal din niyo po na as a, sa concert scene, ano po yung difference nung mga dati po, kayo po, difference nung una po kayo na nagpe-perform as compared nung ngayon na mas marami kayong experience in terms of music?
What's the difference between
the way you performed before or as compared to now?
Hindi mo mako-compare kasi yung nag-uumpisa ka, medyo wala pa akong masyadong alam nun. One, I didn't know what my sound was. I didn't know what kind of artist I will become. So everything is just hit and miss. I-compare mo naman na ngayon na you have 27 years of experience, you cannot compare it. It's different. It's mas marami kang alam, mas pagka merong nawalang ganitong voice, nakakahanap ka ng ibang voice to be able to perform pa rin kahit na medyo balat. Marami ka ng ganun. Kasi experience will make you a better performer. Pero I think for anything at all, kahit na anong job pa, experience will make you a better worker or better performer or whatever. Kaya nga, di ba, pagka nag-a-apply ka sa trabaho, lagi nilang tinatanggap experience. Kasi in life, that is the greatest teacher, I think.
Tapos po, kapag ka nag-rehearse kayo po ba yung tipo ng perfectionist? Or mas gusto niyo yung parang go with the flow? Or may ganun, ano yung style po niyo? Or ayaw niyo nang may, gusto niyo guidelines lang, wala masyado? Mas gusto niyo po yung impromptu? Ano po yung...
Pag-rehearsal kasi, kaya ka nagre-rehearse to perfect the performance. So you rehearse, you try to find out, okay, how am I going to attack a particular song, like this ba, or ganito. That's why you have rehearsals. But we give pointers to one another So, you know, it's part of your preparation for the concert. That's why you rehearse. Kasi hindi ka naman pwede maging perfectionist rehearsal pa lang. Although I'm sure there are artists who are like that. But it's kind of hard to be perfect right away kung nire-rehearse mo pa lang. Although yan ang aim mo, that's why you practice, that's why you rehearse. So there's no, I don't know how to answer your question actually. I've not met anyone na merong, you mean parang process, yung process of rehearsing. Ganun lang yun, uupo ka lang, kakanta ka lang. Parang wala naman akong nami-meet na merong in a very...
Kasi po nababanggit ni Sir Martin sa mga interviews niya na talagang naaano daw po siya, na pressure siya sa inyo kapag kahit na rehearsal pa lang talagang
Because we study. That's your job. Before you go to rehearsal, hopefully, you already know the song. So, yun kumbaga hindi yun, kasama yun sa process mo, pero parang lahat kami alam namin yun. So, parang, you just get pressured because when you hear the other singer na parang, oh my God, kabisado niya pati lyrics, parang nakaka-pressure yun na. But it's, kasama yun sa job mo, so parang dapat alam mo na yun, and kasama yun sa process mo. But like I said, kasi ang aim mo is to be to make the performance perfect, but there really is no perfect performance if we think about it. No one is perfect. We try. We do give our 101% always in every performance, but we are never perfect. Walang perfect na performance. You will always have something na, I could have done it better. But at that time, pagka binigay mo yung all mo and you also dedicated to God, for me, that's a perfect performance. Yun na lang yun.
Miss Reg, add ko lang po, kasi po, known kayo as yung artist na mabilis magpababa ng timbang, as in, lalo na kung may mga concert. Paano natin ginagawa yan? Ano yung preparation?
Hindi ko na masyadong inaabala yung sarili ko with that. Kasi parang, hindi naman ako bold star. Parang, singer naman ako. Di ba? Parang, plus mas importante na I'd be able to sing properly. So, hindi ko na masyadong, I was trying to go on a diet, but it was giving me acid reflux. So, sabi ko, I don't want to do it anymore. I just, kung ganito na talaga, ganito na, what are you gonna do? Bahala na yung mga designer. That's their job.
Yeah. Thanks.